Okay, so I'm here at the Lowe's in Springfield. There's two. This is the big one. This is the one. I have never seen so much plant material in one place. Like, this entire back is packed full of racks. It makes me very, very nervous, but also very, very excited.
Oh, that's gross.
And you know why? Jeez Louise. I mean, look at, can you see the amount of plant material that is here right now? And I know they don't have the staff. Okay, Lowe's, good luck. But this Lowe's does throw up some serious numbers. Wow. Wow. Let's go hit up the clearance. Let's see what they got. Look at all of these dappled willows. Those are all 3-gallon dappled willows for $26.88. And here's the thing, willows Nida de agua. This might not be the right place for them. I hope they all sell this weekend. They're doomed. Can you see the situation here? I'm pretty sure they've just given up on these ones on the bottom here. Man, this one's in a sad state. I'm back here in the clearance dungeon and I found some Pinball Wizard. $14.98 is gonna take us to the fifth tier? Fifth tier? I don't know, there's no signs. Let me go find a sign. Fourth tier, that's gonna take us into the fourth tier. So this one is going to be $7. $7 for the Pinball Wizard. So I think there's two in here. Yep, I see another one. I'm gonna take both of these if I can get them out of the flat. And there is some calla lilies here. What looks like it's in a 1-gallon pot, $11.98. $11.98 takes us to the fourth tier again. It's gonna make those $7. So this guy right here, $7. Ooh, because I like yellow, I like the yellow calla lilies. I do. I just don't have enough shade, but see, here's the problem. I'm not ready for the good deal. All the talk I talk about, you know, when I see shade-loving stuff, I'm not ready for the shade-loving stuff. I've got plenty of beds built for the sun-loving stuff, but not the shade. So, I've let myself down.
You and me both, man.
Guys, I cannot describe how much plant material is just hanging out at this store. I can't describe. I mean, I guess I don't have to describe. Hey, dummy, you have a camera. You don't have to describe it. Show us.
No words to describe.
So I'm gonna show you how much plant material is actually at this nursery right now at 8 o'clock in the morning.
I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion.
Do you see what I'm talking about? Wow, and I'm not seeing any kind of like promo stuff or anything, like any signage that's telling me there's a 3 for $10 sale or anything like that. So I don't know what the plan is, but this place, like I said, this place throws up some numbers. So, man.
Does Missouri have the death penalty?
we are gonna have a really, really good June on this channel. Jeez Louise. Yeah, it's gonna get crazy. I'm super excited. I'm also super excited for these bad boys. Look at this. Oh.
He had the voice of an angel.
Look how pretty that is. Oh, Itos. How expensive are you? Let's look. I'm nervous. It's $104. It's $104.
That's ridiculous.
Oh my goodness. But look how, I mean, look how good these are standing up. I mean, that's a long stem. That's a very thin, long stem that goes all the way down to the bottom.
That's what she said.
Itos. Oh, they smell so good. Yeah, I can't do it. $104. I do not have high enough view duration to buy a $104 plant. I don't. I do not. Oh, but look how pretty they are. See, this is the struggle. This is the struggle, and it's real. It's real for me. Yep. Anyway, it's going to be a while before the Itos become part of my life. But now we know where they're at. Okay. That's a thing. Check this guy out. This is Aha Tough Stuff by Proven Winners. Aha Tough Stuff by Proven Winners. It's $26.98. $26.98. And it's not a bad price. It's not very big.
That's what she said.
It's in a 2-gallon pot for $26.98, but it is a patented variety, and Aha Tough Stuff is cool. You can take a look at these blooms. They are really neat. I mean, look at that. It's almost like you have some brackets, and then you have these little tiny flowers in here that are that's what's gonna have the pollen in it. They only get 2-3 feet tall and wide. What a cool plant. What a cool plant. You know what they should have called this? Aha the Fawns.
Now hear this, all nurses fall out for night maneuvers.
Because then that would say everything. Cool and tough. I'm kind of on the hunt for some Coleus because I started my window boxes. I didn't do anything really crazy. I just put some hostas in the smaller window boxes, but I wanted to do some Coleus in the big one behind the hydrangea tree. And I'm seeing some flats, and what I like to do with Coleus is I just like to feed it real good and put it, I'm walking by the Itos again. See, I just do it. I don't even know I'm doing it, and I'm doing it. So I'm looking for some little 606s or something. I just pack the whole thing full of Coleus and then pinch them. Oh crap, I forgot to get a cart. So it's starting to get a little busy. I did find some Coleus over here for $10, and it's a little 606. I remember when you could get 606s for $3.50 of Coleus. $10, yeah. That seems a little high for me. I'm looking at the Coleus. I think I would rather just go with some 1 gallon. I'm gonna go with the 798 rustic orange, and then I'm gonna get 2 of those, and then I'm just gonna be on the hunt for some smaller varieties in the 606, but we've got time. Everybody calm down. Okay, so that was the clearance roundup. My name is Stuart Moore. Thank you for watching Landscape Rescue and letting me into your home to talk about plants.